Oh, here we are in the shed, getting her cleaned up. It's That's all wooden stuff, and I want to get that glass I was putting up the side there. That's all metal that can be broken down and whatnot. That's all glass that broke. That's one garbage bin. Getting rid of all those books and paper products. So that lake taking landfill. Guess I'm not selling that burning barrel, am I? So, inside, yeah, we got quite a bit done today. A couple hours at it. Dustpan's not really in the best of shape, so we got to get a dustpan. And keep things at that little table to put my wire stripper on. And got a couple of bridles and bits there, so I'm keeping those. Hang them up in here. And keep a little hamster cage because every once in a while we end up rescuing a baby squirrel, and that's what we keep until he's big enough to be set free. Yeah. Living in the country. So this whole corner here, as you can tell, if you remember the video yesterday, look back at it. There's the front door. This is pretty much all cleaned out. All the way over. These are all cleaned up. That's the stuff that was over on the other side. Right over there that I wanted to pile up on this side so I can clean that, which I accomplished today. And down in here is all the tools and cutting discs and all the stuff was in here, chainsaws, everything up there. This little pile here, I just don't have time to clean right now because I have to make a pickup here in an hour and a half and have to eat some supper. So, a bucket full of cords, bucket full of stuff I want to cut and go through. So, pick up a dustpan tomorrow, and tomorrow night come in here and start cleaning up here. Because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and Saturday. So, we won't be outdoors much, so we can finish this up inside. When we get back tomorrow evening. We're off for a scrap pickup, as I said. Pick that up this evening after supper, and then we're going to go and do some commercial pickups in the truck and bring that home, park it. Won't be able to take it in probably till Monday because guys are open half day on Saturday. It's going to be pouring rain anyway, so we'll probably unload the truck and go back in Sunday evening and load it back up again and take a truck and trailer load in Monday. So I was getting there. A couple hours work made a big difference. Worked like a dog down here today. So get those stuff gone through, sorted out. Put that fridge on marketplace, on Facebook Marketplace, get rid of that. So get that stuff all cleaned out of here. But the first thing is to get all that stuff cleaned up. Get a good dustpan so I can clean the floor. So we're pretty much at a standstill right now. That stuff here, probably another 3 or 4 hours and this place will be spotless. Oh, can't wait. It's a lot of work, but I hate doing work. You're not seeing immediate return from it. That's the life of a scrapper. We do work, take it in, we see our reward for our work immediately. But jobs like this that have to be done, it's a long-term reward. But it'll definitely be rewarding. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified any more videos I post. I try to keep a post at least a video every day or two, time allowing. Just a quick video, and a lot of people saying, well, what does that do with scrapping? I was actually thinking this over today, that a lot of you out there are thinking about getting into scrapping, aren't doing it yet. We're doing it, but we want to expand a little bit. You don't have to have a big area to work in, just a small area out of the wind, out of the weather, and you're good. So this is basically a scrapmentary. There we go, new word. It's a scrapmentary of how to start from scratch as a scrapper. Scratch and Scrapper. There's a name for a YouTube channel. All right, everybody, I'm going to let you go now. You guys have a great day. Everyone take care, and God bless.